Hey everyone, my name is Jethro and I believe that you can draw. And I'm so excited because today I'm releasing an Inky character creator. You'll be able to create your own characters by customizing a whole load of different options and build your own Inky character. Let's have a go at making one ourselves together. This file will be available for Photoshop and Affinity Designer and also Procreate. And it's the Procreate one we're going to have a look at together right now. When you first open up the file, it looks a little bit something like this. The magic happens when you open up the layers panel and you see we've got two groups. We've got a group of heads. Every folder here is a different head shape, so I can hide this one and you can see all the different spot shapes that we've got going on. And every single folder has 3 different skin tones as well, so you can choose whichever one you like. I'm going to start with the top one. That is my favourite. Now if we show the features folder, this is where we can completely customise our character. Let's start with the hair. We've got a whole bunch of different hair options, and I can just tap these squares to show and hide lots of different hair options. We've also got the same for eyes and nose, ears, mouth, arms. We've got different tops and different body shapes. Let's build a character together. If I want to make me, I might choose this body shape. Let's hide the frills section. And now let's go and start with the hair, I think. Now this one here, I think is for me. That's what my hair kind of looks like. Now let's go to the noses. We've got a few different shapes I can find. A little crooked nose. I think that's quite a good one. Eyes. I can have an eye patch. Maybe I can hide the right eye, and maybe the right eye, I'll have that one there. So maybe my character is winking. In the ears, we've got lots of different ear shapes here. Small, large, some other fun ones. Mouths. I'm absolutely going to have the big smile. Maybe I'll have some fangs. Let's go back to the smile. And then in the legs, we've got lots of different leg positions. And if we open this up, I can, of course, hide one of them, and then I could go into legs jump and have just the left leg, or the right leg from jumping, and the left leg from standing. But let's actually go for legs running. We also have prosthetic versions of every leg, so you can have those as options if you would like. I'm gonna leave it on legs running. We've also got lots of different arms divided into left and right, so I can customize these. So maybe I want my right arm stretched out like that. I do quite like that, that's fun. Maybe this one will be up like that. And then we have tops. At the moment the pirate waistcoat is selected, but we've got lots of different shirt options. The shirt has a base, you can have a plain shirt, stripes, checks, and all of these have got, if you choose body type 1, then you've got the little extension there to make the pattern go all the way across the body. There's the plaid one. I'm not going to go for that. I like stripes. I'm going to choose these thick stripes and just hide the little extension there. Oh, we do have a cool coat. I can mix the coat and the t-shirt, or the coat and the zip. Let's just go for the coat. And then if I open up body 2, I can turn off this colour if I just want it to be see-through, or I can tap on colour and then go to the magic wand, hue, saturation, brightness, and I can actually change this to whatever I like. So maybe I'll brighten, I'll have a nice pale blue. Can hide the shading if I want. And then I can customize this character further by doing some more painting if I want to. If I want to share this, I could just go to the wrench, share, and then share as a JPEG, and send that to my friends. Let's make a different character though. maybe we will, as the option is there, make a pirate. I'm going to choose body type 1, and let's have a look at some of the hats. We do have a range of hat hairs as well, for if you're wearing a hat. So I could have the backwards cap, I could have the woolly hat, the forward cap, the boater, the fedora, and then we've got a few different hat hairs for each of those. I don't think I will use a hat. Let's go to hair. And let's use one of the... I quite like that, I think, for a pirate. Or maybe this one. Now, let's open up eyes, maybe add an eye patch. Noses, we could use that strong nose there. Ears, I mean, we could have a bit of fun. Pirate elf, maybe. Mouths. Let's choose the no, her, yeah, her, I like that one. And tops, I mean, obviously, the whole reason we're doing this is so we can use the pirate waistcoat. And then the legs, we'll add the frills on. We'll have the legs jumping into battle. And the arms. Quite like that combination, actually. I'll just flick that the other way around. Yeah, shaking her fist. Close that, close that. Body, maybe for this one. Hue, saturation, brightness, and we'll go dark green. I like that. That is a pretty cool pirate. Very happy with that. Now I can share that and we can begin making another one. This time we are going to add the hat hair. I'm going to take off the eye patch. I don't want that. Let's have normal eyes. But this time, let's turn off hair and go for a forward cap with some hat hair. I've also got the fedora and the forward cap, hat hair. Oh, and ponytail? No ponytail. Let's go backwards cap. Woolly hat. Let's go woolly hat. I like woolly hat. If you open up the woolly hat, you can turn on or off the bobble. I'm going to turn it off. Close the hats. We don't need the hair. Nose. Crooked nose? Not crooked nose. Little nose. Ears. I do like the elf ears, but this time we'll go for an ear like that. A more normal ear. Arms. Let's do celebratory arms. Tops. We do have dungarees, and the dungarees come with a white top as well. And if you've got body type 1, then there's a version of the white top for that. Let's leave it like so. Or I could change the stripes to spots. I'm going to leave it as stripes. And I do like that. Frills, let's turn the frills off. Legs. Okay, what I want to show you is if you turn the legs off and then add in wheelchair part 1, and up here above the tops, wheelchair part 2, we also have the option to add in a wheelchair, which I think is pretty cool. And we haven't been changing the heads of these characters either as we've gone. Let's do that. Once again, I can hit the gear, export, or share as JPEG, and I can share this with whoever I would like to. Let's make one more character together. This time, I'm going to make sure I change the spot shape completely. That is quite a good shape. Let's use this one. And let's go back to body type 2. Hide the wheelchair parts. change the tops. Let's go for, we've got mixed stripes, thick stripes, double stripes, simple stripes, cardigan. I do like the cardigan. Woolen jumper, puffy jacket, coat. Let's go cardigan. I'll turn off the extension. We can turn the t-shirt on or off there. And legs. Which one should we go for? Maybe legs standing, legs bent, and I'm going to hide the left leg and the left leg prosthetic one. We'll use that. Let's go back up. Hide the tops. Arms. Here we go. Arms, left and right. Arm down. Arm down. Arm and waist. Maybe this one. They look like they're kind of exclaiming something. Something really upset them. Yeah. Arm down. I do like them both up. They're looking like they're ready to fight. I mean, this one could be I'm a little teapot. I do like celebration arms, so we definitely need to change the mouse if we're doing celebration arms. Yeah. Yeah, bangs. No. I just love the happy characters. Let's do that one. And then eyes, we can go for this pair of absolutely ecstatic eyes. They are overjoyed about something, which is just wonderful. And let's go down to body, colour, magic wand, hue, saturation, brightness, and change this to that soft red colour. Finally, gear, JPEG, we can send that to whoever we like. I cannot wait to see the characters you make with this. Please send me a message on Twitter or Instagram, look for @JethroWilson and send me what you make, or you can email me hello@jethrowilson.com. This, the first edition of the Character Creator Kit, will be available to buy and download on my Gumroad store. I'm really excited to see what you do with it. It's also going to be available to my Patreon members for free. Patreon members get access to my Procreate brushes and templates, behind the scenes content, and also if you're on the middle tier, it's just £6 a month, you'll get a postcard drawn by me delivered to your door every single month. Patreon membership allows me to keep making things like this, and I'm so grateful to my Patreon members. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see what you make. You are creative, and I believe in you. My name is Jethro, and I believe that you can draw.